Guys, so I got a good one today. This stuff, total wash. You know, you see those videos, you spray it off, spray it on, spray right off, right? No working, no struggling. We're gonna give it a test today on that. So I just dug out a big drain hole, and this thing is covered in mud. And it's Tennessee clay, those of you that know me. So that stuff does not come off. It is on everything. My whole driveway is Tennessee red clay because of it. So we're gonna test this thing out. Just do a quick walk around. I'm gonna set the camera up just to record because I'm gonna get blasted here. We'll see how this stuff really works. Let's check it out. All right, to give it a quick just pre-rinse with the power washer just to get still got some chunks in there. Now to be fair, I may get some of those bigger ones out. Obviously, I'm not expecting crazy miracles there. So here's your before. Nasty. Let's try it out. Sorry, it's getting dark, but it is melting dirt. Pretty cool. The stuff in the bucket is really jammed in there. You saw me hitting it in the pressure washer. right, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here because I'm going to go take this off, bang it out, spray it one more time, put it away, and I'm just gonna hit this one more time with foam. I record that part and finish it up. I don't want to sit on the video for 30 minutes, so bore you to death. Well, guys, that's a real review right there. That's how we do it here. Sorry it was at night, but this is about the time I get done with my chores on a Sunday, if I am doing chores on a Sunday. So I will say, product's amazing. Well done, guys. It is nice to finally have a cleaner that actually like melts mud and Tennessee clay off a vehicle, off a skid steer, or I do have the Honda too. I've been just tried it on that one earlier and it worked great. That's why I wanted to do it on the skid steer, because it's always the worst and the hardest to clean. I normally don't get it that chunky and that muddy. I had to clear a drain that was clogged and we just had a lot of rain. It was not the best time to do it, but definitely a good test. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that helps you all. The stuff, I will say, is expensive. I guess it's kind of like anything else. You get what you pay for. I'm not paid to test it. I just went out and got it myself and saw the videos just so you guys know, and enjoy the muddy video. Feel free to like it, check it out, throw some comments down if you like. Have a great day, guys, or good night.